Hi friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ali Cake, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I got this easy goth makeup look on Pinterest. This is the picture I'm following right here. So if you would like to see how I got this gothic makeup look, please keep watching and follow along with me. I'm starting off using my e.l.f. liquid liner just to draw two normal wings on each eye. So I'm going in with the other wing, and if you guys are wondering about my contacts, these are from Just for Kira. I have a whole video on my page about them, so if you decide to order from them, please check my description box for money off your order. Okay, so now I'm going in with the inner corner liner. So now I'm just drawing a line right under my waterline, so it looks like I'm making a whole new waterline. And I'm just drawing some false lashes right on that line. You know, this will just make my eyes look bigger and it will just look better. So yeah. Okay, so now we're drawing a line right under the little lashes that I just drew, and then you're making like a C like so, and then you're making another C right behind that, and then you're making like a point. So you know, it's looking like, I don't know, just like upside down horns, I guess, but they're really cute. So yeah, and you just fill them in. And you could always go in with concealer and clean up, you know, the edges to, you know, make it a little more perfect. So I'm just adding these three little dots at the end of that line to pull the look together, because the picture has this and I wanted to do it exactly like the picture. Okay, so this is the fun part. We're going in with some mascara and just messily dragging that all over the lid to the ends though. And you know, it will make it pull the look together, make it more goth, make it more Egirl. So yeah, just spread that all over. I'm going in with my black eyeliner and I'll be drawing some black lips for this look. Okay friends, so this is the final look. So in love with this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Just so you never felt